Welcome back. We're on question 8, 2024. So as we look at the question, we see we have a graph with a line segment and another line segment plotted in coordinate geometry with an x and a y axis. Okay, so let's get down to reading the question. The graph below shows the function g of x for the domain -2 up as far as 3, and it's on real numbers, on all continuous numbers. Use this graph to show the following questions. So we'll get into it. Write down the value of g of 3. Now notice my language, g of 3. Okay, so 3 is the input on the x-axis. We start here. We move up or down until we get to the graph, which is here. Okay, and then we turn right to find the output value, which is there at 2. Okay, so the input is 3, and then the graph tells us that the output is 2. Now we're going to do that in reverse here. Write down the value of x for which g of x equals 1. So we're told the output is 1, so we go to 1 on the output axis. We look left and right to see where our graph is. It's on the left, so we head out this way. Then we head down to find out what the input value would have been, or is, that have given us this output of 1. Okay, so it's this process in reverse, starting on the output axis of 1, going left, right, horizontally to get to the axis, and then going vertically to get to the input value, which is -1. Okay. Now draw the graph of the function g of x, which we know, take away 2. Okay, now this is first of all, it is a translation, okay, which is a special type of transformation. It's the last chapter in the book. So it is a translation, and the translation decreases every value on the graph by 2, because these are output values. So this is what happens here. All values drop by 2. Now you don't have to drop all values, there are an infinite number of them. You have to drop corners. Okay, so we will move from here. No, I'm right-handed, so I'll probably turn this around the other way next time. Anyway, because I'm blocking the screen. So we will move this one down by 2. We move this one down by 2. And we move this one down by 2. Join them up. Use a straight edge or a ruler. And we're drawing the graph of this function. There's no real calculations needed. You can see that you're counting boxes down. Okay. So it's be important to label it that y is equal to g of x minus 2. You get full marks for that. Okay, students. We see you in the next one, or we have a look at there more? No, it doesn't. That's that whole question done. See you in the next one.